In this video, I'm going to show you how to effectively delete Cash App transactions. So due to legal reasons, Cash App can't actually directly delete individual Cash App transactions, but that doesn't mean we can't actually do something to erase our transaction history. So the only way to actually delete your entire transaction history is to delete your Cash App account, and that will effectively delete your transaction history along with it. So before you do this, the number one thing you need to do is you need to transfer remaining funds. So if you have money in a cash balance, then you want to go ahead and withdraw to your bank account by going ahead and pressing on withdraw. Then you want to basically get all of your money out of your Cash App application. And if you do have any stocks or Bitcoin, then you will need to go ahead and sell those as well. I know this is a little bit crazy, but guys, if you really need to go ahead and delete your transaction history, then this is what we need to do. So you need to go ahead and sell your Bitcoin and then go ahead and sell your stocks as well. And then you need to go ahead and actually transfer the earnings that you did get into your bank account. And by the way, you got to check for pending transactions as well. So if you actually go over here to the activity tab, you want to ensure that there's no pending transactions or anything like that. Or if you do have any pending transactions, do your best to attempt to resolve them or wait for them to complete or cancel them if possible. All right, but now that you cleared out everything in your Cash App account, then you are ready to go ahead and delete your account. To delete your account, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on your profile picture just like so. Then go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see support. All right, then once you're over here, you want to go ahead and select on accounts and settings. Then from here, go ahead and scroll down until you see this option that says close your Cash App account. And then from here, it is actually going to give you the instructions to go ahead and close your Cash App account. So again, it is going to warn you that you need to go ahead and just empty out your account and make sure you don't have any cash, any Bitcoin or stock or anything like that. But once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on done. Then it is going to ask you for confirmation and you may need to do some verification. So make sure you do that as well. And then from there, it should actually delete your Cash App account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.